Meaning of endocrine.
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 Endocrine. The term endocrine refers to the system of glands in the body that produce and secrete hormones directly into the bloodstream to regulate various bodily functions such as growth, metabolism, and reproduction. The endocrine system includes glands such as the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal glands, and others. Hormones secreted by these glands play a vital role in maintaining the body's internal balance and responding to external stimuli. Endocrine disorders can have significant effects on overall health and well-being, and may require medical treatment to manage symptoms and maintain hormonal balance.